Hi guys. So andito ako ngayon sa sa workplace. Hinihintay ko pa si husband. Pero ipakita ko sa inyo guys. First day na ganito yung snow. Tignan mo. Ayan o, nag-i-snow na. Oh, white days again. Look. Ang daming snow. Nag-i-snow pa eh. Kaninang umaga pa nag-i-snow hanggang ngayon. Ang daming snow. Ayan o. Nagkikita. So I guess it's gonna be snow days now. Mahirap nang maglakad ngayon. At saka required na ang magmask ngayon dito. Ayan guys, tignan nyo. Oh, ayan na pala si husband. Ayan na siya. Ang daming snow. Nag-i-snow talaga. Okay Ryan, bye-bye. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, tignan nyo, snow. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna go to Dollarama.
Why?
Buy some soups.
Because?
Because I don't have any soup.
Oh.
Wanting soup. Why are you showing everybody your video?
Hi there, my love. How are you? Si Clayton, no. Did you just woke up?
No. What's this person doing?
Huh? I said, did you just woke up? And then he said, up. Okay, you just up. Ayan, punta ka. Dollarama?
Yeah.
What? You're going to buy soup there?
Yep. They make some really good soups there.
Tingnan nyo. Oh my goodness.
Almost blizzard. Tomorrow blizzard.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be walking 4 to 12. I should work morning, eh?
Yeah, you'll be walking in worse than this.
Oh my.
Unless I come in the midnight weekend. It's gonna be worse than this.
Tignan nyo, parang it's like a fog also because you hardly see the...
It's the snow.
Yeah, because it's the
That's all
snow,
the snow.
right? Oh my, tignan nyo, oh. Seems like I want some pizza today. Do we have pizza at home? Ayan yung Dollarama. Malapit lang guys yung mga yung mga establishments dito sa amin. Kaya walking distance lang talaga. But if it's like this one is snowing, we cannot walk, right?
You can't, but it'll be miserable.
What a guy.
You're not going in?
No, you just go.
Okay.
Can you please wash your hair? Ayan, Dollarama. Punta si husband. May bibilin daw siya. Hi there, my lovely boy. How are you? How are you there? Oh, how are you? Oh, there's daddy. Huh? What is he doing? Ayan. So pag ganitong weather guys, parang nakakaawa yung mga yung mga nagtatrabaho sa labas, especially yung like oh, hi guys. Very good. Again, hi guys. Yung mga nagtatrabaho sa mga gasoline station, ganun. Kasi nga, sila, di ba, lalabas sila. Pero dito naman kasi self-service, pero syempre, lalabas pa rin yan minsan-minsan, ganun. Kaya yun, mahirap talaga. Ang lamig! Katapos lang ng trabaho ko. 5:19 na. Late na ako nakalabas kasi nga busy sa work. And si Clayton, nakabuckled up siya. Oh. Op, oh. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Naka-ano na siya, naka-Christmas na bonnet. Christmas na. Very good. Christmas na bonnet. Ah, hi there, my lovely boy. Did you sleep well today? What did you eat? Huh? Oh, oh. Oh, ice. Ah, that's ice. Where is ice? Where is ice? Oh, he doesn't want. Then nyo. Ayan pa rin. Snow pa rin, guys. Diyan na si husband. Husband is there. Daddy is there. Daddy is there. Hi, Daddy. See. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Si Clayton, grumpy. Grumpy na si Clayton. What did you buy? Ah, did you buy? Ayan, nag-buy na siya.
50 cents each, but they got actual.
Oh my goodness. Don't rip it off.
Oh no. You want KFC?
So ayan, punta tayo ng ano. We're going to KFC.
The long way.
The long way. Tingnan nyo. Kaya kaninang umaga
the
lang
store.
nag-snow. Tas ganyan na itsura ng daan.
What, the person scraping a tree?
Yeah, because it's a walkway, right?
No, that's for his carts. He doesn't care about the walkways. He just wants to get carts.
Oh, it's a good thing I don't
Work outside.
work outside. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna walk
I
walk
work
home.
outside. Last winter, this is what I used to work in all the time.
Oh, then
Open forklift.
good for you.
So we're getting
Oh.
KFC.
Good for you. I'm so mean.
Yeah, you and me. It's 100% true. Oh, that's a lift.
You don't even I don't know how you drive, Han.
What? I didn't know that's a lift. Because the car can't tell with the snow. Okay, what? Which one?
Bucket, the 15 bucks.
$15 ultimate bucket. You have to see the exact words.
Ultimate bucket. Pero magluluto lang din ako ng ano.
Okay, stop talking.
Okay.
I would like the $14.99 ultimate bucket,
Please.
please.
Okay, what do you want for the two sides?
For the what?
Sides.
What do you want for the two
Oh.
sides?
The side dishes, I would like
Corn.
corn and macaroni.
I think Lee doesn't want macaroni.
Anything else?
Nope, that's everything.
Alright, you can head to the window.
Seems like it's too young, eh?
Shh.
The
She
lady.
can hear you.
So, just
Seems
tell.
like it's too young. She's too young. Seems like it's too young.
Naamoy ko na yung KFC.
Smell.
Ayun, naka-order na kami, guys. So,
That's
yun
the
lang, guys.
fastest.
Na-update ko lang kayo kung ano ang weather namin dito. Ayun, start na naman ng winter.
That was the fastest.
This
fast
is
food.
the first time na ganito karami ang snow.
Second.
So, no, this is the first time of the year, right? That
No,
this
the second time
first day of the year, like a first day of snow.
that it will stay
Yeah, that it will stay.
because it snowed before.
Yeah.
What? Maybe that's why you finally go. Oh, winter colors. Look at the trees. It's Christmas. Now the window is snowing up. See? I have to keep it going.
Ayan, malapit na tayo sa bahay. Tignan nyo. Ang dami ng ano.
Oh, look at the snow.
Yeah, you can wipe it now, Han.
It is going. See? Automatic.
Look.
Start going faster. There's our
Oh,
home.
ayan na.
There's
Ayan
our
na.
Christmas tree.
Oh, you did not put the, ayan yung bahay.
No lights on.
You did not put the lights. Say, oh, tignan niya yung ano. Ang ganda.
So thick.
Tignan nyo, guys. Oh. Nag-ano pa rin, nag-i-snow pa rin. Ay, ayan. Ay, lamig. What? What happened?
His tube slid down over his eyes.
Okay, you go there. Go there, over there. Take photo. Hi there, Clayton Funky. Hi. Clay.
Where's mommy?
Are you eating the ice, Clayton? Clayton? Hi. Again, Han. Han. Clayton. Clayton Funk. Perfect.
Hi.
Clayton. Very good. Very good. Let's go now.
4 inches.
Okay, that's it for today. Bye-bye. Bye, Clayton.